Hi guys, I will let you hear something. I live in a condo and I'm a superintendent here. And that one, you hear that? Well, if you also live in a condo like me and you hear something like that, maybe uh, a lot of people knows about it, but some people is panicking about that sound. And if you do hear that sound and if you live in a condo or townhouse, don't be panic. All you need to do is just replace the smoke detector battery. That one, I will show you. That's the one I'm talking about. So if you hear a sound that beeping every 2 minutes or faster than that, that the battery of that smoke detector has to be replaced. See, hear that? So it means the battery is about to be empty. So don't panic. That's it's not sensing any like alarm in your unit. But the problem is if that battery went empty and you don't replace it, if you have like a fire and that's not working, then obviously he cannot he cannot notify you that there's a fire. I have a battery right here. It's a 9-volt battery. This is the battery that I, I need to replace that. It's an easy replace, but I will show you because sometimes people like some people in here in the condo called me because they try to replace the battery by themselves, not to bother me, but they said they're having hard time removing the battery. But I will show you the trick on how to remove that if you don't know how to replace it. So this is the smoke detector. So right now I know the battery of this is about to be empty. Normally there's a pin in here, but I already removed it. But if it happened that it's the first time for you to replace the smoke detector, there's always a pin in here just above where you need to open the battery. So I will be replacing it now. See that hole? That's where the pin came from. I lost the pin, I didn't put it back. But to those people that don't know how to replace this one, they're having hard time when they try to open this one. It's easy right now because there's no pin. But if you're having hard time pulling it, it means the pin is still there. So this one I already removed the pin and I didn't put it back. So it's easy now to replace it. So I just need to remove the battery and put the new one and close. That's it, and put it back there. So to check this one, I have to restart or reset it by pressing this one more time. It's okay. So you hear that? The other smoke alarm is making a sound as well. It means this is the smoke alarm and the other smoke alarm right there in the living room is connected. They communicate each other. That's how it's supposed to. So as I mentioned, the smoke alarm, all the smoke alarm in your house or suite, they're supposed to be connected and communicate each other. Uh, I say communicate each other because if things happen in the living room and if you're in the bedroom sleeping and there's nakunud, there's already a fire in the living room and you're dead sleep in your bedroom. The smoke alarm in the living room will trigger the alarm and make a sound and communicate to your bedroom, and if someone's in the basement, it will communicate there too. It will make a sound to say that there's an alarm in the house or in your unit. And that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click subscribe, and thank you very much.